Hi, let's see how to use Skylight. Skylight is one of the most important components. Thanks to it, we can steering light component in our scenes. This is very often used, and I think that usage of it is really simple. There is only one trick to use it efficiently. I have created a blank project, and let's see in what way does it work. I set the focus on it, and when I have a focus, then I press Control, right Control, and L, and now I then move the mouse. Yes, I simply move the mouse holding these keys, Control and L. As you can see, I can steering the light in our scenes. In fact, I have decided where the sun is. Okay, in this way. So, very easy and very, I think, powerful solution. Using of it is really easy. There's only this one very simple tricks. In case of any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks.